Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to create signal for yourself. To create signals. Some of you don't know how to trade. You don't know how to trade by getting your own signals. Maybe you are following signals from a particular group or what. I'm not saying it's not good to follow signal, but you can actually learn how to get this signal by yourself. Now this is one signal. You can see the trade I just created. MNT. This MNT was I got it from ChatGPT. So I will show you how to do that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video. Now when you come to ChatGPT, if you don't have ChatGPT, make sure you do what? Make sure you download it from Play Store. So this see. Now sign up. What can I help you with? So click on when you want to the question. Now this isn't prompt I created on you can see. Let me show you. You can see. So this is what I did recently. That I was able to get. You can see that this is amazing. It will give you the entry. You can see it will give everything breakdown. You can see it will give you the entry, the support. So this is support level. You have the lower support, and you can see we have the support, which is higher support and lower support, and it's telling me to buy above that support. You can see this is the stop loss. This stop loss is what I just recorded in my previous video, then how to minimize your loss. You can see this is how to take a profit. You can see it will give you everything breakdown. When you scroll down, you can see the one I did I did today is I told ChatGPT to give me a week trade setup. You can see a week trade setup, and you know what it told me? He said keep top to 3.5, keep top 3 to 5 depending on margin capacity. He said pair this with a BTC trend check. If BTC closes above $120,000 and focus on altcoin breakout. You can see he said if BTC ranges or drop and focus on stronger major. You can see so it's giving me advice based on those setup it has given me. It's giving option. You can see this is a mind-blowing. You can now the MNT that I just talked about. You can see that the MNT, this is the MNT I just show you the other side. You can see this is MNT. You can see. Now let me show you the MNT here. Let me scroll up. You see what I'm saying now. For the MNT, it gave me let me show you the MNT here. So you can see this MNT. You can see it's giving me two setup. You can see it says MNT USDT Bybit. You can also give prompt to this ChatGPT based on the exchange you are using. You can tell ChatGPT to give you a setup using the exchange that you used to trade. You can see that this MNT that now you can see that it's telling me that if I want to buy at this price, I can buy. Say buy at 2.45 to 2.60 after a confirmed breakout with a good volume. Target price. You can see this is what target price. You can try to take the first profit or the second profit, and this is how to minimize your loss. You can see you say you should place your stop loss at this price. Not only that, it says said that I should do what? Say I can actually what? I can also what? Set up my entry here. You can see. I said this one is what? Pull back. That's when the price pull back. That is when the price goes down. You can see that this one will give me more profit. You can see. That this one will give me more profit. Over this one is over 100%. Imagine. You can see. So this is how to do this. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to do this now. Let's say you want to ask ChatGPT to give you a trade. So you can just tell ChatGPT, okay, don't tell ChatGPT to give you signal. It won't give you signal. Just say, as you are a seed trader, how do you set up trading? How do you set up trading? I say, assume you're a seasoned trader, how do you set up coins to trade for today? With all entry, stop loss, and profit, and take profit. If you tell ChatGPT to give you signal, it won't give you signal. It will tell you that it cannot give you signal. But if you add it like this, you can just twist. Just don't ask it to what give it signal. Just write something like this. So click on the arrow. You can see that it will give. It usually give you. You can see what it will bring out now. You can see. Just wait for it to send you some information. You can see. So you don't tell ChatGPT to give you signal. It won't give you signal. Just write something that will assume it as what? As a trader. So we're waiting for it to give us the setup. Let's see. Excellent. It said let's assume like this, like a trader. So here's how you can see. Here's how I will set up my coin to trade for today, including how I decide entry, stop loss, and take profit. You can now see. Can you see? Can you see? He said coin selection for today. Let's assume BTC is consolidating, multi bridge today. Here are 3 potential setup. Sample logic. We can just live data if you tell me what type for you trade. You can see. You can see everything is. This is mind blowing. I would like to you. He said risk management formula. You can see it even give you what? Suggest give you info on how to what? On how to protect your money. You can see risk, how to manage your risk. You can see. He said that you should not risk. You shouldn't what? Risk more than what? More than 1 to 2% of your fund. You can see. This is mind blowing. You cannot afford to what? To fumble. You can see. He said always set limit entries at zones, not market entries. He's telling you to always set limit order, either buy order or sell order. It says trade execution plan, confirm entry using. You can see volume increase 15 minutes to 1 hour. Confirm you can do. You can see this is mind blowing. You can see. Say if you tell me your preferred time frame, scalp, intraday or swing, your example, whether you prefer long only, short only, or both, I can generate exact updated setup for today. You can see you of 5 to 7 coin, you can see, because if you want it to give you a setup for 5 coins, top 5 coins, it will give you can see. So these are ways to generate signal by yourself. You don't need to buy any signal. You don't need to. You can do this by yourself. If you do what I'm doing, I'm still trying to what confirm it, but I believe you can also try it. So in my previous video, I've created a video on how to created this trade on Bybit, how to create this trade on Bybit, how to set up this trade. So you can actually go and watch that video. It's not difficult. So if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.